Hey there, kiddos. Welcome to my series of how to use our library catalog. In this video, we are going to be focused on how to use the keyword search. When we are using the keyword search, we are going to be looking for our word anywhere in the description of a particular book. So you may find books that technically have your word in it, but what you're looking for may not be as exact. Let me show you an example of what it looks like to use keyword search. So let's start with cat. I'm going to keep it nice and simple. I'm going to type in cat and I'm going to click the keyword button. Again, this is going to look for the word cat in all of our books to see where you could possibly find a match. So check this out. So I click that and here it goes. These are my examples. Look right up here. It tells me how many books in our library have the word cat in it somewhere. And there are 266 titles that have cat in it, whether it's in the description, it's one of the subjects, it's in the title, maybe it's part of the author's name. Right here, it's going to show us that these books have been sorted by relevance, which means how close it is to the topic that you're looking for. So with the way that this searches, it's going to list it by the ones that it thinks you're more likely looking for. If you come over on this side of the screen, you notice that there are a lot of pages to sift through. There are 11 pages that you can look through all about cats, or at least that have cat in it somewhere. When you look at the titles, you'll notice that hyperlinks. Notice how that underline jumps up? That means that's going to direct you somewhere else. So if I click on that, it's going to take me to a page with more information about that particular book. And again, if you notice, it's highlighting each time it sees the word cat. Okay, pretty cool. We can also see some additional information down here that you can look at, including accelerated reader information. We can see what reading level this is and how many points it's worth, but we could actually see that on the last page. So I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to use what are called breadcrumbs up here. It's called a breadcrumb. So I can go back to where I was just at and click search results. So let's look at all the things that we can see on this page that tells us information about our books. So of course you've got the title. Directly under that is the call number, which is going to tell us where to find this book. So we know that this is an easy book, an everybody book, so that's a picture book. And it's going to be with the WILs because WIL is the first three letters of the author's last name, Mo Willems. We can see, if we look on this side, that as of right now, there is 0 of 1 available, which means that that book has been checked out. It is not in the library right now. So whenever it says 1 of 1, then you can totally get it. Then you can look right here and you see that it says accelerated reader level, and it tells us exactly what level we're looking for. So these are the results you get whenever you are searching for keyword, and it gives you a whole lot, and it's a good place to start, but maybe we want to get a little more specific. So in our next video, we are going to check that out.